Xena just stole Mom's sock. Give it here. No. Oh, yeah. We're going on a big chase. Woo, there we go.
Charlie, is that your flip-flop? Huh? Come here. Can I have my flip-flop back? Let me have my flip-flop back.
We have a situation.
Charlie? Charlie, are those your Avon bags?
Charlie,
Those aren't. I'll trade you.
give us the bags.
All right, those aren't your bags, Charlie.
Charlie, hand it over.
Come here.
Charlie, give me my bags back.
I've been looking for my oven mitts forever. And he just pulled it out of his toy box. Why do you have that? What are you doing? Where did you get that from? Hey, where are you going? Give me that. Give me that.
Who's a naughty girl? Who's a naughty girl? Gemma. Gemma. What is that, Gemma? Gemma's naughty.
Oh, shit. Fucking little thief.